Oyaba, and I see him. So now the thing we're not supposed to follow because this story very important for me. Patsy!
Bless
Thank you. How this does, already? That's to dance for this your drawing. So, what's it with this one now? Divine. Just my cousin now.
People should stop this thing now.
Patsy!
Kona, take this!
Afefe, did you just leave? Che!